Hey guys, welcome back to the garden, and today we're going to move the center bed out and get ready for the new bed. And that's what's going on at Noah's house. Hey guys, what's happening? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the garden. Oh, I just saw a chipmunk. Lila, chipmunk. Lila's the great chipmunk hunter around here. Hey, look, I got my microphone because it's super windy. Today is November 7th, and crazy enough, when I got up this morning, it was 68 degrees. It's not 68 degrees now, but the weather's kind of funny. Planted the garlic, and hopefully I didn't do it too soon. I did it a week earlier than what I did last year. But today, I'm gonna start this. I don't know if I'm gonna make this one big long video or bust it up in the parts, because everybody loves my gardening bed videos. Not really. And hey, if you're here, please like, subscribe, share the channel around, check out some pipe videos. There's Lila Lou. Let me throw this for Lila real quick. Oh, she's a goof. Check out some pipe videos, some pallet building videos, and please check out some garden videos. But hey, on with what we're doing. So right here, I'll take a walk. Come on, Lou. Come on, Lila. Come here. No, you got to get it. Hopefully she doesn't knock the camera over. She's a goof. This garden bed right here is the last of the old wooden beds, and it's actually a Frankenstein bed, parts and pieces from these two when I had the 3 wooden beds. Come here, Lou, back there. And my plan now is to, because usually I wait until I get the beds and it's the middle of winter and I build them and I'm digging in, solid stuff. But I have, I got it. But I do have some material laying around to do the bottom of the beds. I have some cut wood, and I have some maple, and I have all kind of different stuff. The whole video is going to be me throwing this frisbee floor. And this is the red frisbee, which is Lila's favorite. But my goal now is I'm going to dig this medium out, this soil that I've created over 5-6 years of this bed being here. I'm going to get it all dug out, and I'm going to try to take this out with help from someone here of getting the whole bed out in one piece and putting it over there. Why not repurpose it? It's not really bad. I mean, it's rotten here and there, but it's a good bed, and I measured it, and it's a little big for where I'm going to want to put it, which I'm going to show you guys in a second. But I think all in all, it's going to work. I was going to get tarps and put the soil on tarps and all that, and then I thought, why am I doing that? I have covered everything with wood chips. It's rotted down. It's just turning out great everywhere. If I was ever to rip this out and just plant grass again, for sure it would grow great, and this would be a great green grass, plethora of a yard, which I'm not going to be doing. Hey Lou, hey look, we still got parsley. But I'll tell you what, I'm going to grab the camera handheld. I'm going to walk around and give a little bit more of a show. Thanks, Lila, of what I'm going to be doing. What a goof. Give me a second. Come on, Lou. Okay, guys, now we're handheld. And, excuse me, I'm going to show you what we're going to be doing. So over here, we have that goofy bed I built out of old garden bed material. Nothing really produces here. I built this little cold frame. In theory, it worked kind of good, but not. I got different plans for it. I think I built it wrong. But what I was thinking, let me zoom around here and zoom out, is taking the big bed right there, and I measured it. It's going to come out a little bit past right here, which is fine. But kind of where that cold frame is, I'm going to put it from the fence and have it come out. Like I said, it's going to go over maybe a half a foot, not even. But that's what I'm thinking of doing. And I got these big piles of leaves I've been raking up. Oosh. And I'm actually thinking of moving that pile over that way and saving it for fill in the new metal beds that are going to be going in. There's Lou over there. But if I can get that over here in one piece, kind of level it out, I'll have to dig it in a little bit up there. I think we'll have a good garden bed, because if you guys remember this year, I had the bags, all these grow bags right here, 2 rows of them with a string, whoop, going to the trellis here. And they grew some really good tomatoes. So I'm thinking if I have that there, that's going to be another nice, you know, growing bed. But I don't think this is going to be too much of a challenge. And I think I'm just going to get the old wheelbarrow out. I'm going to dig that out. And right here, I'm just going to plop down and make a big old pile of medium, big old pile of soil out of there. And once I get the wooden bed back here in place, I'll just refill it with the medium that was already in there, maybe add a little bit of more organic material. I'm not going to do any hugelkultur or anything like that. The big goal is going to be getting that bed out in one piece, hopefully. Plus the fact that this bed has the hinged hoop houses are built to go on that bed right there. So if I get that over there and get everything in place and fill it back up, I can close the hoops and try to grow some cabbage or kale or onions or something over the winter, because I'm always trying. Well, hey, we're going to call this part 1, and this will probably be this probably end up being 3 or 4 parts. Try to keep them short, because I'm thinking the 20-minute videos of me playing around out there, people get a little bored at seeing Noah play in the garden. Well, hey, this is Noah in the garden. Thanks for stopping by.